know they can't. They wanna make me look clean. Oldness, taking on the fullness. I probably shouldn't be so mean. I'm headed straight for the castle.
Good evening, pumpkins. Welcome to my spooky night routine. I am kicking off this night routine with a wicked bubble bath. First, I am running the water for a little bit while the tub fills up. And then I will be taking this awesome bath fizzy from Bath & Body Works in the scent Spooky Vanilla and placing it in the water. How cool is this bath fizzy? Not only does it smell like a bakery, but it left my skin feeling so smooth. And surprisingly, the black water did not stain my tub or my skin. I just love how my bath looks like a cauldron. Now I am adding in some of my Bath & Body Works Twilight Woods shower gel to add some bubbles to the bath. I love how woodsy this scent smells. Time to light my Scary Good candle from Bath & Body Works called Vampire Blood. This candle has a nice strawberry fruity scent to it and I love it. While relaxing in the bath, I thought it would be nice to play a little background music. So what better way to get into the Halloween spirit than to put on my Halloween playlist that I created from Spotify. Now that I'm in the bath, I'm just relaxing and reading my Hocus Pocus book. This book has the original story as well as a sequel. You can find it at Target. I'm lathering my skin with Twilight Woods moisturizing body wash from Bath & Body Works. This product works amazing. After getting out of the shower, I always moisturize my skin with lotion. Tonight, once again, I am using Bath & Body Works 24-hour moisturizing body butter in the scent, you guessed it, Twilight Woods. Layering one more Twilight Woods product to my body, I am finishing off with a fragrance mist. Last Bath & Body Works product, I promise. I'm just moisturizing my lips with an overnight lip balm, and this really works like a charm. Time to work my magic and get into some cute Halloween pajamas. Oh, would you look at that? This onesie is so cozy and it's from TJ Maxx. I also paired my jammies with matching black cat socks from Walmart. Now that I am all dressed, I'm going to apply this pumpkin sheet mask to my face. I purchased this mask at CVS. They also sell a ghost sheet mask and a skeleton sheet mask. I decided to go with pumpkin since I knew the orange color would show up on my face. It actually has a pleasant smell to it, like shea butter, but it gave my face a boost of hydration since my skin kind of got dried out from the hot bath I just took. While I left my mask on for 15 minutes, I just read a little bit more of my book and decided to take a few selfies to show my husband. I actually thought the sheet mask looked more like a tomato than a pumpkin. After the 15 minutes were up, I took off the sheet mask and massaged any leftover product into my skin. Making my way out to the kitchen and living room area, I am now turning on all of my Halloween lights. I love decorating for the holidays. It just gets our family into the holiday spirit and makes our home feel extra cozy. After turning on the Halloween lights, I am bringing over the most perfect pumpkin I have ever picked to carve. I bought a carving kit that included this book with pictures we can trace on our pumpkin, and I decided to go with this pumpkin sketch that reminded me a lot of Jack Skellington from The Nightmare Before Christmas. I love that movie. My husband helped me a lot with the carving part, and it was our little man's first time carving a pumpkin, so he helped out a little as well. He kept saying how the pumpkin stinks, so he was gone after about 8 minutes. I think our pumpkin turned out cute. Now I'm getting ready to bake some Pillsbury Ghost cookies, my favorite type of cookies to make during the Halloween season. Just follow the directions on the back of the box. I did bake my cookies for 2 more extra minutes. I prefer a little more of a crunchy cookie than a soft cookie, so 12 minutes was perfect. After the cookies were done, we put on a family-friendly spooky movie to watch. Tonight we are watching Corpse Bride, which is another Tim Burton classic. This is what it's like watching a movie with a toddler. Although he was hyper from the cookies we just ate, he actually did enjoy this movie. When the movie was finished, I put on my glasses and brushed my teeth. Once I'm done brushing my teeth, it's time to call it a night. I hope you all enjoyed my spooky night routine. Thank you for watching. Have a thrilling night.